Hello everyone, welcome to Reboot and Rise with MLR. In the last video, we walked through how to install and set up JDK24 on the Windows 11, right? Now in this video, we are going to write our first Java program using the lightweight editor that is Notepad++ because it helps us focus on the core concepts without too many distractions from the full IDE. We will understand exactly what's going on in the code line by line, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to open the ID Notepad++, which I have already installed in my system. And let's type this code. Public class hello reboot and open curly braces, closed. Then I'll write public static void main string aux. Again open curly brace, close curly brace. Then I'll type here system.out.println double quotes hello reboot double quotes close bracket and close curly braces. Now let me walk through this line by line. This first line, public class hello reboot, this defines a Java class that contains all your code inside. When we say public, that means this class can be accessible from anywhere, from anywhere within this program or in other programs. Class, it is a keyword that is used to declare a class in the Java software. Okay. And hello reboot is the name of the class or name of the program. And remember, your file name that you are going to save this file must match with this class name. So it should be same. Okay, so we will save this file as hello reboot.java file. Okay, let me save this file. Save as, and I'm going to save in this one something called as a fundamentals. Double quotes your program name dot java double quotes, click save. Okay. Coming to this public static void main, public means this method can be accessible from anywhere within this class or outside this class. Static, this is for like running this main method without creating an object. Void, it doesn't, I mean this method doesn't return any value. And main method, this method that Java looks for to start the program execution. And string aux represents, this is used to accept a command line arguments. That means like if you want to take any inputs inside this program, we will use command line arguments, and from command line arguments the arguments will come to this string aux. And this one system.out.println, system is a built-in class that is already written by Java people, or you can say Oracle. And out is a predefined object that represent like output stream. And println, it's a method which is used to print this hello reboot and move the cursor to next line. Then this is a closing brace for this method, and this is a closing brace for this class. Always make sure like your braces are properly opened and properly closed. And we have already saved this program. Now let's see how do we run this one. Okay, in order to run this program, I'll open a command prompt, cmd, and my program is in D drive training JSE fundamentals and hello reboot.java. So I'll go to the drive D colon, then cd training, cd JSE, cd fundamentals. Okay. So now I'm going to compile this program first. Let me go to this one, training JSE fundamentals. So there it is, the file name and the extension Java. In order to compile this program, I will use command called as javac. So this will call the compiler. Hey compiler, go to this folder, look for this hello.reboot java, hello.reboot.java, and look for if everything is fine in this program. Read those all the lines and translate into bytecode. Now we can see like this is a bytecode file that is generated. Once we run this one, the bytecode file is generated. Okay. Now let's give this bytecode file as input to JVM. So I'll call JVM java hello reboot dot class. That's it. So if you see this program, that's what the outcome of our program that we have written. So once this program runs, I'm expecting this to be print on my console. So that's where we can see. Okay. So if there are no errors, we can see this program. That means like we are good, like we have successfully wrote our first program, executed and got the output. Okay. In the in the next video, we will explore few more small variations like comments, identifiers, any syntax rules and all. Until then, keep learning, keep coding. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.